Hello everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. So good to see you. Today we are going to be doing seasoned rotisserie chicken from Costco. Now guess what? This is kind of one of the staples there at Costco, right? Most of you probably know about it if you're Costco members. But did you know the price on this? It's only $4.99. Now according to my son, who fact checks everything, he says they're losing money. The reason being is they put it over by the meat and you gotta walk through everything to get to it, and apparently you're gonna buy other stuff on your way there and back. I believe it, I'm gonna go with that. But anyways, for $4.99, it's hard to beat. And I'm gonna taste it, we're gonna see what we think, but I've had it before and I know it's pretty good. So here we go. Ooh, nice and warm. We've had it in the warmer. It says no added hormones or steroids. And USDA grade A. Yeah. But anyway, see here, you look at it. Come in here. See the juices and everything like that? It's so juicy and it smells so good. Okay. So now, it's nice and warm too. I don't want to burn myself here. Let me cut the side open here. I'm going to get a fork. Look at that. This comes pre-cooked, and then what? Did we just put it in the warmer? Is that all you did? Yeah. Look at that. That chicken. This is a chicken breast from Costco. Let's cut another little piece. We'll try that. Tastes like delicious chicken. Yeah. Again, $5. Feed a whole family and then some. You want to try some, beautiful? Come here, honey. The director wants you. Come here. Come here. Get over here now. Get over here.
I don't want to be on it.
I don't care. Come on.
I don't want to. Just do a quick one without me.
Nope, come here.
I don't want to be on it.
I want you on it.
I don't want to be on it.
Yeah, we're gonna get more views.
You're already gonna be on it.
You're already gonna be on it. They're gonna show. He's gonna show this right here.
Show this? I don't want it. I know it's good. I don't want it. Oh my Lord.
Oh, you don't like it? Are you vegan?
Okay, so apparently she's afraid
I'm
to come
vegan.
on camera. Don't know why. Maybe because you look pretty. I don't know where you're going.
That's a big bite.
Oh,
Why do you
it's
think
okay.
my mouth is that big? It's not that
That's a
big.
normal bite from people.
Not for me.
You're such a ninny. What I'm married. Seriously. And you want to spit that out? Or are we good? Yeah. Yeah.
Better than Walmart.
Better than. Ooh. You might want to edit that, but. Okay.
Why?
Well, everybody, I'm gonna go back over here. You can see some of our, cameras and stuff like that. But yeah, it's pretty darn good. I'd eat this all day long, every day. In fact, maybe we should. Pure protein, that's good for me. 'Cause I'm actually, just so y'all know, I'm trying to bulk up a little bit during the winter. I'm up to 202 pounds. Been taking some creatine. So I need to eat more protein. And then I want to try to get swimsuit sexy come spring. So bulk up and then slim back down. That's your game plan. But hey, hopefully you enjoyed this. And thanks for watching Chef Dawg, and we'll talk to you later.